What if you could switch smoothly between utility, generator and solar system without confusion or danger? Damn! In this video, I will show you a simple but powerful setup using two changeover switch, a method revealed to me by one of my subscribers. I've previously made a video on connecting 3 power source which has thousands of views already, but these subscribers share an even better approach with zero risk involved.
Nice.
So today we are going to break it down what these subscribers share with me. Let's dive in. Welcome to Radio Tech Channel. We are having the first power source on the screen, which is utility, the second power source on the screen, which is generator, and the third one solar system. And we are using this as a changeover switch. If you check it very well, you will see that this is constructed exactly the way changeover switch are built. And the last thing is on our screen is distribution board. So first thing we are going to do is I'm going to show you the mind-blowing connections that make this type of connection the perfect way of connecting 3 power source, which is, we all know that changeover switch has 2 inputs and 1 output. So we are going to connect the output of first changeover switch. Pay attention to this, guys. We are going to connect the output of first changeover switch to the one of the inputs of the second changeover switch. Let me show you. And then the output of the second changeover switch will now be the one that will serve our distribution board, like this. By the end of this video, you will understand what makes this connection the perfect one. Before that, let me show you how we are going to connect all these our power source. So we are going to start from utility first, live and neutral, generator, live and neutral, and then solar system, live and neutral. So with this, we are through with our connections. So let's now turn to changing over switch and let's see how they are going to play out. First thing is we want to switch to utility. First, if you switch to utility, you will see that the connection happens. Only thing we know that will happen is both live and neutral will be stuck at the input of the second changeover switch, and no power connection will go straight to your distribution board until you switch this changeover switch down to the alternative. The reason why we put this one alternative is alternating between the generator and the utility. So we switch it down to the alternative, and then your building can now have a power supply. So let's do that. You can see that this is perfect. Let's see how it's going to look like when we want to use our generator. First thing is we are going to switch to generator side, and then the power will also be stuck at this place until we switch down also to the alternative. And you can see same thing happens. No bridge, no you need to wait for the first one, you need to check, no any confusion at all. And then when you want to switch to your solar, this can be on neutral. The first changeover switch can be on neutral, and it can be on any side, whether utility or generator. It doesn't have anything to do with your solar. When you switch your solar, it will just happen and your house will be powered. You can see that this is extremely beautiful, guys. This is extremely beautiful, guys.